Kublai Pi Baro Shakatup Khubor Jongi Karan Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Mantaka Skilong. Lumu Prime Minister ya Baro ki Chief Minister jangka North East panyatai halor ka klam COVID. Panjingerap Menteri na kasor kar pedeng ban penklan ki jaka sumar ha Meghalaya. Ensyakta ka Meghalaya lada trekam ka cattle bill jangka Assam ba piti saw kami. Kajing temu bandan ya kawa ngot kan pensyam jing ya shibon ki pad ba katan JAC. Tementa ini apa haji Khubor kiba kampanya. Menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi hakasngi baar ulaya lumlang ya baro ki menteri rang ba jong ka jilla ka than chatai lammi ngi jong kari India banya tai halor ka jingya khun persha ka klam COVID-19 habaro ka we kari. Hagani ka jingya lang leng ba ka video conference lawan ban shembenta da baro ki menteri rang ba kentup ki menteri ka kwat ka khya jong ki jilla na lor ki officer.
Meeting of the Chief Ministers of the Northeast with the Honorable Prime Minister, Defence Minister and Home Minister and Health Minister of Government of India was held today. In the 2-hour-long meeting, detailed presentation was given by the officials of Government of India, the Health Department, on the current status of positivity rate as well as the vaccination and other factors and data related to COVID for the Northeast region and different states in detail. During the meeting, the different Chief Ministers of the state presented their status and the report of their state. Accordingly, when it came the turn for Meghalaya, I mentioned about the fact that the COVID wave is something that we have seen in the past also, hits the Northeast after the rest of the country. So therefore, this was something that was in expected lines in one way. It gave us the time to also prepare in terms of our infrastructure and oxygen supply and other factors. And we are seeing that we are at a point where things are plateauing now. We have seen a steady decline, but the decline has not been at the rate that we anticipated, and maybe because of the fact that we have a lot of scattered population. In the dense areas, we have seen the numbers come up immediately and then it went down. But then in the rural areas, we are seeing that the spread has been more and has been kind of taking more time to come down completely. But we are expecting that in the next few weeks that things should look much better than what they are today. The positivity rate has come down below 10% for Meghalaya state. We are seeing 2 districts as of now which are seeing 10+ percentage of positivity rates. But the big concern for our state still remains our vaccination drive, and we are still below the national average in certain cases. Therefore, we are pushing that in a mission mode. We have asked the MLAs, MDCs, we have asked the different religious leaders, headmen, civil society, and all to help and contribute towards how we could enhance the vaccination drive.
Menteri Katanan Kakot Kakia Kajilla, Uba Alexander Lalu Hek, Hakasining Kong, Ulaya Kundo, Menteri Batamai Katanat Kakot Kakia, Jokasor Karpedeng, Umansuk Mandavia, Hanong Ba Delhi, Banpan Jingarap Nakasor Karpedeng, Nagabenta, Banang Penklan Yakijaka, Ajing Sumar Hakajilla. Hakani ka jingya kundo uba hek ulayo ru ban batai show menteri ka sarkar pedeng ya ka jinglong jingman ka klam COVID-19 hapo ka jilla. Uba hek upan jingya rapisa khnang ban yo ban penbiang lut ya ki tiar jing sumar shabaro ki jaka ai jing sumar jang ka jilla nadu sor hadu nong kendong. Nalor kani ulaya kran ban penken mauru ya ka jing penslam jo ka sarkar pedeng ban thung ya u director bapura but board of director governing body Hanigrims Shillong. Ula ajing modru ban ai bha pule doktor bon ka Meghalaya Hanigrims bat kumjuru ban thung bon ki doktor specialist nagbanta ka jing mentoy ki pat ba ka jilla mat kani ka than chatei lambi ngi kari India hi baro kawai. Nakalyang menteri ka sarkar pedeng ula kular ban yarap pisa ka sarkar jilla bat kumjuru ban tokit halor kani ka jing penslam ban thung ya director bapura bat ka board of director of the governing body Hanigrims. Hakani kasngi uba el hek ula kunduru ya bon ki menteri bathamai jang ka sarkar pedeng kentup ya u rijiju na lor ki wei.
Sir, mas.
Okay. Congratulations, sir, for your new assignment.
Thank you.
God bless you.
U MLA ka maulai ba proses ti saukmi hakasngi baar ula penpau baka Meghalaya klem arta tien kan sya ta ting la rajya baka sorkar Assam kan pentri kamno ya ka Assam Cattle Preservation Bill. Karkum ka jing ong jong u kiban syak ta ningkong hakate ka an kindai kinong khayi bat boots kinong bamdo namar kin sadan bet ki kendon ki bante ka jing penpoi ki masi shodo syakani ka jilla bat ki wei pat ki jilla jong ka than shate lammi ngi jong kari.
Jong state hi berok kawai. Di hak bade berkini ka Assam Cattle Prevention 20 Assam Cattle Prevention 2021. Ka Assam ka table hapo assembly but commission ka sen ka Shillong an kini. But dihadin pada ka Long an te sibun ke berok ngi sutu kinmi ke jinge. Teke mga don nakaliang juga hakabadi bat kami ka bill. Kamuang menen nakaliang juga kalong ba borok ki sarkar jelag betul por India ki perkhat nam tak jong kasti ban nam tak brio. Dai ka wi ka ban nakaliang juga kalong hakau don ka bentang. Jong ni ka bill ka baong ba kini ki masih ki bayak lengba na po Assam. Mangisu kalau bagi babon kini ke cattle nanti ke masih kiwandang di napo West Bengal kiwandang di napo Telangana kiwandang napo Andhra Pradesh kiwandang UP Madhya Pradesh bar kiwi state napo jong dari India nang kiwandang ni state bandang tu kalau ba takalong kumdu hab banyak ling ba napo Assam de kalau ni ke bill pisung tu haba kini ki brio ki ba baterai yang ka kam supply masih. To siapa bagian suana kalian joki kalau bagian kit mata ya kini masih nak state of here di India. Ya si suatu kalau ba di documents akila biang nadong sedang documents. Di on the road ngai scam kalau kadang don kadang no problem. La kade bantu biang nadong sedang. De ka bik bang dia jo sokya hang ni kalau bak Assam ka ong ba. Kinu kitrok kiba kit ya ka masih ke bayak lingba napo Assam ka hapan sim ka long da laban ong kani ka valid permit lane la ka jong pada ka permit ti hang ni pistu hang ni kan don jinge jinge ka long ban la lapan biang ya kot isla na tu state ban ikit ya kini masih ondra poi Assam hable biang ka long da ki permit te habana da le shu da le biang da permit kamut ka long ba hang thi kin bun ha ka long ba ki babon ki formalities aban nakaliang jo sarkar Assam kan bu baraka bakut kalong bakti ki masih ki sakut hang hapo Assam te ki numpoi shu shenu kalong lakade hapo saksti jongi lani ki benta jong kan is ki numpoi shu kini te kamut kan bu problem hadu kata
Ka Joint Action Committee Against Wa Umngot Project mentakasngi kala dawai ka sorkar jela bakan pensange no ka jing thmu penmi ding electric na ka wa umngot ha East Janta Hills District. Kidukor ka JAC kilong ba ka jingmentoy kilong palat liam banya ka ba kayo jingmentoy na ka jing penmi ding electric. Kila berngemru balada ka sorkar kaya chakmat bar kani ka jing thmu kim banse banya ki. Kinong shnong kin hap kin ria jaka ki klau ki betap ka khndo ka siap kin sadu lut no bar kinong rap kin sayap than lut.
Ni nagaling ka JAC ka Umngot Hydro against the Umngot Hydroelectric Project ni lawan mikman banyak dunya Chief Minister te nagaling Chief Minister nila depan ya keren berpersengau ya ka jungi ha pro arteligi district kiba na kaliang mo konraw block bat nagaling jungi kiba hab seni showroom jongka amrem block kita kumga darang ilka nila sak tak jur se hadian bala adep ban shenaya ni ko project enaga liang jong Chief Minister ula ai kita ka dipensai ba unsap baik sakmi bahaya kena ka project bat ngi demand baik bat ngi pensiang iba deban scrap baik kena project namar ka tak sibuna ya ka yo ka kot ka jigim jungi berista satai kathan nasa nang ru ta hi nasa rum ta ya ka bring kendau ta ya ki tourism ta ya ki doum bat ka kata hi ka mariang ni berakoi te nagaling ka GSC ni demand baik pan scrap ni project bat Chief Minister la kular ba un pe ingmi alor kane kaji dawa jungi nompat la hi ban mundur ma nomor ba kaji dai hi kata ka star cement ba kanika umut hydroelectric project nomor ka umut kadai ka ba kerpang ani fi ka palabra 6 nomor Chief Minister Khubor ba ka tourism man penduduk ya kate unam penduduk nomor ukwa hi gini artali bakin kin kiu men long ka tourism berkerep kata ketika thong jong Chief Minister jong
Beliau Menteri Ketenat Public Health Engineering Department uba Renikton Tongkar ya ka Upper Shillong Water Supply Scheme haka kat laitrik mentau banai naitung arhajar arpoi. Kani ka jaka penlang la penlut hakador ka ba lai pu khandai pusan kror bat kani ka jaka penlang la yo ban penpoi hado sabu nyau teli kisnong. Habakran sikilat pathai Khubor uba Renikton ulaya thu ba kani ka project la sedang nado usnam arhajar shipau ka shimpor hado khandai snam ban pendap pat udap da ka jing sngo kemen ka bakrau ban yo ban pleno ya kani ka jaka penlang ka ban ajing mentoy sabon teli kisnong bat ula ongru ba ka sorkar ka khmi lemti ban yo ban pendap ya bon teli ki project ki badang sateng.
The scheme, yes, it is a bit old scheme for which 9 years will be completing tomorrow from the day they lay the foundation stone. Of course, it has been delayed, but we can still be happy as there is saying better late than never. So this government has managed to complete that uncompleted task to complete the scheme. Even though we have to sanction an extra amount, the original estimated amount of the scheme it's 33 crore, whereas it needs revision and the total revised estimate comes to 39.95. So this government has sanctioned that during 2020, and with that amount, that extra amount, it has enabled the department to complete the work, and we have inaugurated today. The village that will be benefiting from this, it is about 47 inhabitations. The location and the inhabitation that will be benefiting is 47. Of course, I don't have the detail how many households will be benefiting from this. But as you know, that the target of the government is to give water to each and every house. So either through this scheme or through another scheme. If this scheme is not sufficient to give water to all those villages, we will try to work out to augment this, or even to bring another scheme to see that each and every household will have the benefit of having a water pipe in their house. So that is the...
What is the reason for this delay?
Delay, you see, maybe the reason of, because as I said, so many villages that the scheme has covered. So the more the villages, the complex are the problems. Where you have in another village, you have another problem. Another village may be another problem. So in solving all those problems, the department, even though they have worked hard to solve, but it takes time. Obviously, it takes time to solve those problems. And by that time, the price escalation comes. While trying to solve the problem, the price escalation also comes. And again, the contractor would need extra amount to pay. So for that reason, it could not sanction in all those time, all those years. But this government, just last year, 2020, it has sanctioned the required amount, and that's why that has enabled the contractor to complete the work in our respect. Yeah, 47 villages. 47 in habitation is written. So habitation means villages or localities. 47 habitations.
Kasurupat ba kabri uhanyau trap menta kasngi kala pensngau yu menteri rangba konrad ke sangma ya ka jing ka bakrau ba kinong song snong ka Meghalaya hakijaka kapot bar ka Assam. Hakador khas bala ASHA menteri rangba Kani ka seng gala ong ba ka jing e ka ba kraw bagi pat ba kya kendo kilong kamtam e haka than block 1 bat block 2. Uwe ni kinong yalam jong ka sur upat ba ka beri uhun yaw trap. Ula ong ba ka asam ka kam wat ya ka jaka ha maujam haka ba ka balang presbyterian kala rakhi ya ka jingdap nyau pusan senam jong ka bat la ban pen shisha ya kani. La ban pen i ya umau saken mau bala pli perda da upastor HB Lakyang.
Settlement bangin wengno ya gijing sirta sendon kanang bagi beriu picungi ke besong hang tai ki benda kinyo ya gijing syong suk syong sai la de hanu nur ko gumma ko lang mental lang manyilai ila gijong ki khamat ka ilaka labang nong pelut kamadon nadu kisnam archar hai kisnam archar kadang don la jong doloi lengba kacing aisana juga Genti Hills Autonomous District Council hari susi benong ba menta kalau dulu nilai keren ya kan ni kementaru baladong kabala banda kalian cung sorkar kan ya leng bakon kelenti bat reinste biang bat rak biang ya kan ni ka hima sa sisen pat ya kan ni ka hima ka bala jano ka ba ngikot ketika labang nong pelo ka ba ar golong ba ya ka hima no amo temur bangi kerpa dia sukar ban walk out kat bala gloi ban reinste biang bat rak biang no ya usoda alani ya usidar cung ka hima ka bahap hapo ka hima soyong morok si keta mat gibun ki benta nang thegla go mat ka balai kalong ba ban pen bai pede ki benta jong galang pi ki benta jong ki wei pede ki benta jong ka jela ka jongi bat kendiat ka don ka benta ka bahap chete ke po sapo than arita chera ngile kran ru de ba ngilalek ngilalap ka jong ka kman ki breu jongi hangte ki myo wa de corrosion ki myo wat ye kini ka scheme NREGA kemayong ka scheme si spas ni kimdon ya kajing sumar ki helgar ki PHC bar kumtah dadar kimdon ya school ka babiang kimdon ki surok babiang apa kham school si ju kolong pede hangta kolong ba nakadang bagi sinong jungi hang tu kolong rit pa ki don ki sim kabu ha ka election kadon ka political pressure nakaliang jong ki political party bat nakaliang jong ki we pede ki candidate ka bas usi su hang kolong ba ki lek ban berngem ban bersit bat le da kan nur ko ban penting pesmi jagi tang man pen kongu kat ke ek mam ki kiman kapa ar kolong don sak ki we pade ki kenhon ki bisim gabu don ki ba akum ki kenhon seng leno don ki ba akum kenhon shana pisa ki takai ke bangi ong mo bandawai ki ban sho bandat ye ki bandawai ki chingthong ni bandawai au khau ka ba bat kum ta te ye kene ngale ye keren ba sarkar ka ban work out kat ba kene ka process ban wara ye ka permanent solution bat ka asam kadang ya ai bagan ni ko hok long bri man bri kombal pun ko bor daka an daka konstitution jongri India kita ki breu jungi ki bosong hang tairu kin yo no la ka jong hok ba kimdai ban sha pressure kimdai ban sha event kimdai ban sha show kimdai ban sha dat kimdai ban sha penting besmi ai bakon nang gecing klik nak liang ke sarkar bat bikin yo ya jing sok sok song san bat kum da keni keni gecing keren kebangi lai keren mar
hakerta ka baki babon kidang lap miet haki mobile phone ni haki online class haki ni ki por ba menta ida ai hun readington i khana badang pule class 12 Shillong Commerce College ilala ban tho e ka kot ka bala penyaj ru shakeleng ka perthai ida ai hun khon jong i late readington marwen basong basa ha mau yong rim ila tho e ka kot bala ai kerteng teenage rebellion yakani ka kot lashon bat penmi da ka Blue Rose ka company penmi kot na New Delhi bala penya yo keleng ka perthai ya ka ebook lengba ka Amazon bat Flipkart la pelat pat ba yakani ka kot da uba s khars imle nong bishar ka KHADC code rengkat ka jinge dan lang i Reverend Warjeri temen basan SR thank you ki staff kilok ki jor baki ba hayeng ha ka jinge lang hayeng jong ida ai hun ban kenmau ya ka jing dap shibna iba RM Marwen publisher jong umau por bat Highland Post uba khars imle shwaban pelat yakani ka kot haba ai jingkran ula ong ba kani ka kot tang na ka kerteng ru kala kring lepai ki babon kham tam ya ki samla
kat kum nakajing iga jonga ki parlog ni ki bahiyang bahasam ki henmen para banga ki kamdan na kataka ka balang rebellious bah tidong nga jingmut jonga ka di tang man tho nama ka di ka hobby ban tho kan khampoi perkhat ro bakan poi do ka book kum ne te nga tho ru nga tho ki bon ki banga tho tama dong ya kan ni tengal dan jingmut hi ban penmi bok tama nga kham or pad haka ka jonga kan ngasih orang bah hadian postnam ne art postnam tong ba te ka jingmut ka bang ai ka ni ka keteng ba ka dei ka age ka jogi teenage ngi idon kam ngilong kum ngidon ka message ta ki adults ne ki ba hadian jongi ba ngidang don ka age ka ba ngidang dei te ban rebel ki don ki ba dong hakane ka main character jong ka ni ka choose ban num rebel kan tong ba ka yu ipat ya ka hanan jong ka rebel ti long ngas penwandur kan yang ta ba lada kiwe ki la ban rebel ti makar kala ban rebel ti lada makah kam la ban rebel kiwe ki num la kan rebel ang ka ko ban pen iya kata kan ka jingmut kan nama as teenager ti kibun ki ba rebel ba ang kata ka jingmut ke jong ka bang thoi kan ni ngas dang tho mention snam ni ngas dang tho ti ang pendap no tau snam hi hagi benai January itu ang submit no ha company bah penmi kan ni tong tu hi gasim por tang ki rabna sarai ka agi la asmo kluj no badan kan quarantine kan menta covid ni te ngandal adaptation online class tu tenga tho hi no tu te dan ki por da ngal al school ru ngas tho ha ka copy tu te ndak wan po hi ngas type kan computer aptai dang shong class 4 postnam tahi ki stories basu make up to ki belong ki fairy tales machu pada red ni dapat ki fairy tales movie to asya dan kita ka jingmat om ba kumno ki beri ki la te ban imagine kum to ada ki way ki la te beli ngaro kan la to ba ki fairy tales ki da date han ki type ki jonga ki bon ki bang thor ki belong realistic to ki di fiction kadai ban ai men siam hi mostly nomor dapat mangi ki teenagers ki bon ki bam yo te ban support ni ki bon ki ba yo ka support na yang ma tambah ki bon hi long kin dal adon ek talent ka jong ki bon ki bam ju sha support ta te long ka main em ka jong ar ban thoi ka ni ka de ban pen ki wei ba da de ba ki le kam dah kaya kapor baki dang long samla kom niru long kam date ban affect yanu ru yakir kam de ban affect kida kwale kinne ya ke ka baki man rei kim dir ban affect yanu ma te kata ka de kam bien em ka jonga ka ba ar pat ka de ban ai men sim ki babon ki bapuli ka ni ki ba pet yanga ki ba itho yanga ban ai men sim ki kana baki nom long down hearted kan baki nom sha long discourage ma ki ban long encourage kan ke baki man banne ke baki kwa banne kata ki bon ni las dang tho ar li kita ki bon ngat padan idea than ra ten sas dang tho biang hi dian buat quality ke dei baki dei ban accept ya ka reality mostly am ke dei ban accept ya ka reality ka ba ar ki dei ban long data baki tho ban affect yanu ki ban tho ban support padi ki way kan ki bapuli kanika buk ya kanu ka buk ru ki de ban tho based on facts based on reality kan dir ban tho ban pen isi iway ni ban pen install iway ni kumno tai ka de ga men kan ban long author now according to my view
Bada kitu ki khubor ngela poisha ka bakut tat hadu bangin da ya syambyang khublai shibun